Hi guys. In a recent video on my other channel I was using this panorama mount that I made from an IKEA kitchen timer. I drilled a hole through the top of it and put a mount on it. It's one of those standard tripod fittings. Well, actually that one came off a thing that you could stick in the top of a bottle of wine, sort of a novelty thing. Anyway, I fitted it on the top of there, so I can use that. But then I thought, how about if I want to put that on a tripod? Because it's alright if you just want it to sit somewhere like that, but if you're out and about a bit and you're on an uneven surface, that's not good enough. So you really want to be able to screw that to a tripod. So I 3D printed myself a little cup to go underneath it. So that will stay in there. What I will do is fit a brass thread in the bottom of there. Now you can buy them, but I have shown you in previous videos that I've got lots of these old tripods that I used to buy in Poundland and use for all sorts of things, although I have noticed they haven't been selling them recently. Well, I wanted another one, but it means I've got lots of these brackets, and sometimes they split just there and you can actually pop that brass thread out. And if you pop it out and warm it up, you can push it in there and it will hold itself in place, because that will cool down again and grip it tightly. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll break that out of there, warm it up, push it in there, and then that will do the job. That's the bit we want. I've just cracked it open with the cutters. You see it does grip quite well, even though it's broken. Right, there we go. That's the bit we want. So what we're going to do is heat it up and push it in there. Not sure which way to push it in, to be honest, whether to push it in from the top or the bottom. Anyway, I'll do that. I've got these bolts that are exactly the right size, so if I put that on there and then put that on there, that will hold it for me while I warm it up and push it in. It doesn't need to be very hot. If you're actually getting it red hot or anything, it's much too hot. Just needs to warm it. I've seen people put these on the end of a soldering iron and push that in, and that does it. I'm going to go and heat it in the gas flame over the cooker and push it in. Right, we'll just leave that to cool down. So there we go. Just screwed that one in. Could probably put a bit of sticky in there or something just to hold it, although I've made that a very good fit. So there we go, job done. The ticking you can hear is actually nothing to do with that. It's the solar rockers over there going away. If I could silence them, you'd be able to hear that one ticking. I think that probably let you hear it. Job done. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.